Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a pink berry makeup look because why not? My hair is already pink. So first we're going to prime our face using the Milk Hydro Primer, and I've been seeing the trend of highlighting and contouring before doing the rest of your makeup, so I decided to give that a try today. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer first. So I'm going to have all the products listed down below in the description box, and I'll also put up the image at the top of the video so you guys can follow along. I'm just going to highlight all the areas of my face that I would normally highlight after foundation, and I didn't do any color correcting because I wanted to see how well this works. So for contour, I'm going to use the Lancome Duo Stick in the shade Deep Suede. And then we're just gonna blend that baby out. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of had me shook a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with my Lancome Tint Idole foundation in the color 450N, and I will say you do use way less foundation when you do it this way. Pretty okay, because I was really ready to wash everything off and start over, but it really gave a nice smooth finish, and I guess I didn't really need to color correct because I didn't, and it looks fine. I'm just going to go back in with the concealer as my eyeshadow primer and put that on my lids. Okay, so now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions in that nice deep dark red, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. I'm going to go in with my McGrath Le Vie in Rose palette, and I'm going to use that nice pink color as my transition color and put it right over the red and blend it together so it looks nice and pretty. So next, I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin Cream Foil Eyeshadow in the color Rose. Now I'm going to go back into my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just going to take that nice pink shimmer color and stick it right on top of that cream foil shadow.
What we do here is go back.
I didn't want to really use a dark eyeliner for this look, or any eyeliner really, so I just used the NYX Vivid Brights in the color red, and then I went in with a brush and kind of just blended it just to give it a little depth, but not really like a whole cat eye eyeliner situation. This look really did deserve some lashes, but y'all, I got lazy and I was kind of hungry, so I just primed my lashes with my lash primer, and then I went in with the Diorshow Mascara. So I wanted a little bit more contour because
it's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give.
Right, so we're just gonna go back in with that same color and add a little more depth. go in with some blush. Nars and Orgasm is actually one of my favorites. I love that corally color. It's just so pretty. And then bam, we have no flesh. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This method definitely uses way less products. I kind of really like it. I'm not sure if I'll be using it all the time going forward, but it's definitely worth trying out. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys